welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jacqueline Lotte, and as you can see by the title, in today's video we are going to talk about Chanel, and I will be showing you guys what Chanel stuff. So if you follow me on my social media on Instagram, you know by now that I am a little obsessed with Chanel pieces, and I actually love going to the store just to browse and to window shop to look around for what I will be buying next. So in today's video I will be showing you a few things that I recently bought, and these things I actually really love. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and give it a thumbs up, and please comment below. So I hope you enjoy this video. First time I am unboxing it. Well, I've seen it when I was buying it, but this is the first time I'm actually unboxing it since I bought it. So this is how it comes. I didn't even untie this here. I had to reduce the light to the lowest now, so I hope this is better, because I figured this scarf you could not even see it, but now that I've adjusted the light you can actually see the colors of the scarf. So this is the scarf that I got, and this is their classic, one of their classic pieces when it comes to these scarves, and I hope you can actually see the color. So this scarf is more like a nude black, light brown, all mixed together, and it's really nice, and I actually think this scarf would look nice in the winter. And this is 100% silk, so it will look nice in the winter, and in the summer it can be worn all year round. I just love how light it is, and it's a nice piece. This is something that I will have in my closet for the longest time, and it's so easy to wear. There's so many ways I think I am going to wear this scarf. I will have fun with it, and I wear scarves all the time. Like, it doesn't matter to me. It can be in the winter, it can be in the summer. I just wear scarves always, and it's nice to have a Chanel scarf to play with. I don't know if I will be able to put this around my head, because I'm afraid the makeup may transfer to it, but I think I will have fun with it for sure. I love this, and I will put the link for everything if they have on the website, but I know with the Chanel you cannot actually buy online. You have to go to the store, in the actual store, but I will put the links to these pieces so you can check them out if you're interested. And this next piece that I will be showing you guys, it's something that I have actually worn a few times, and if you follow me on my Instagram, you have seen me wear this not all the time, few times now, but it is Chanel earrings. I already did the unboxing for these earrings, but I never did for the camera for my YouTube. And you know, if you do fashion videos, you just want to show everything that you bought, or maybe not everything, but these are the earrings that I will be I love them so much. They're easy to wear. They're definitely a classic piece. So these are gold earrings with the little stones. Like, they're not real gold, but like 18 karat gold. They're plated gold, I believe. But the price for these as well is not that bad. Good price. And the last is this. So this is a receipt for the shoes. And these are the shoes. I also unboxed them already, but I had to put them back in the box, pretend like I didn't unbox them because I wanted to do the video for you guys. So this is how it was actually packed. I had to put the ribbon back on it, and I don't want to untie the ribbon in case I want to put it back on the box and just put the box like this in the closet. Crazy, right? And you guys, are you ready to see what's in here? Are you ready? So these are the Mules in the size 38.5. I usually wear size 8, which is 38, but for these shoes, even the other Chanel shoes I have go like a half size bigger. But look at how beautiful the pearls look on the back, and I just love this CC right here. And this, oh my gosh, this is what sold me to these shoes. Like, these shoes, I've been wanting them for a while now, and me having this is, oh my gosh. I posted a photo on my Instagram on how I can style these, so if you're interested, please follow me at Jacqueline Lute. In the summer, I wear sometimes jeans, and this shoe is just perfect for that outfit, like a jean, blue jean with a nice white t-shirts falling off your shoulder, the nice belt with that nice mess. Chanel, this is nice. And again, you can dress it up too. You can actually wear this shoe to dinner as well. Believe me, you can do that because it is a nice shoe. Okay, so I love this, and I'm so looking forward to wearing them. Look at the back. How beautiful is that? How beautiful is this shoe? So I will actually do a video on how I can style these shoes. So if you're interested to see that, comment below, let me know, and I will be happy to do that, to show you how I'll be wearing these shoes. I don't know if I wear them at all in the winter, but I will make use of them in the spring, summer, and fall maybe, because fall can be really cold, but we'll try to work with them. Otherwise, I'm buying these pieces because I know they're like classic pieces that I'll have in my closet for the longest time without feeling like I wasted my money, if that makes sense. And I can pass them on to my children when I have kids. Oh, I can still rock them. I can be that granny looking lavish. I think that's it for today. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment below, let me know what you think of this. Yeah, if you have any questions, comment below and I'll be happy to answer them. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching my videos. Have a good one. Until next time, bye.